Hello dear students, we are going to start exercise 1.4 question number 2. See, in question number 2 we have to find derivative dy by dx at given point. Parametric functions, derivative of parametric function. इसमें first question देखो, x is cosec square theta, y is cot cube theta and at theta equals to pi by 6 we have to find dy by dx. Yes. So parametric functions, derivative of parametric function dy by dx is here parameter theta. तो क्या होता है बेटा dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So we'll find dy by d theta. What will be d cot square theta into derivative of cot theta minus cosec square theta. Dx by d theta is what? Which is 2 cosec theta into derivative of cosec is minus cosec theta into cot theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So it is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So what will be it? What is dy by d theta? Minus d cot square theta into cosec square theta upon, what is this, minus 2 dy by dx upon dy by d theta upon dx by d theta minus 2 cosec square theta into cot theta. What we can cancel here? इसमें हम क्या कैंसिल कर सकते हैं? cosec square theta कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, नेगेटिव साइन भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं and finally we'll be getting here 3/2 ये cot थीटा होगा, cot थीटा एक कोसेक cot स्क्वायर थीटा और यहाँ पे एक cot थीटा है 3/2 cot थीटा. Now at derivative at theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. So it is 3/2 into cot of pi by 6. Cot of 30 degree is what? Root 3. Is 3/2 into root. Done. This is the answer. Now we do next question. Next is x is equal to, here dx by d theta will be what? Dx by d theta equals to 3a cos square theta. So derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to what? Dy by d theta is 3a sin square theta into derivative of sin theta. What is that? Cos theta. So now you find dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So what is our dy by d theta? Is 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now dx by d theta is minus 3a, then minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta into sin theta. अभी हम यहाँ से हम टी ए कैंसिल करेंगे और एक साइन थीटा कैंसिल होगा और एक कॉस थीटा भी कैंसिल होगा। फाइनली विल बी गेटिंग हियर क्या मिलेगा, टी वाई बाई टी एक्स इक्वल टू, और ये साइन थीटा और ये कॉस थीटा और ये नेगेटिव साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा, दैट मीन्स इट इज माइनस टैन थीटा। अभी डी वाई बाई डी एक्स एट वॉट, dy by dx at what, theta is equal to pi by 3, which is minus tan of pi by 3। यहाँ पे theta अपना pi by 3 है, which is minus 2 is the answer। Now we will do next question। यहाँ पे थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखो बेटा, what is our third question, x is equal to, here x is equal to t square plus t plus 1, and in this third sub question y is equal to sin of pi t upon 2 plus cos of pi t upon 2। Then we find derivative dy by dx at t is equal to what, 1। So let us find dy by dt. What will be dy by dt? Here derivative of sin pi t upon 2 is what, cos of pi t upon 2 into derivative of this. What will be derivative of this? It is pi upon 2, and this derivative will be what, minus sin of pi t upon 2 into pi upon 2. So this will be, now dx by dt is what? What is dx by dt? It is derivative will be what, 2t plus 1. Derivative will be 2t plus 1. Then here dy by dx we have to find। तो yes बच्चों, dy by dx क्या आएगा, is dy by dt upon dx by dt, dx by dt। हाँ, so what is your dy by dt? ये पाई बाय 2 हम बाहर लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, पाई बाय 2 हम बाहर लिख सकते हैं, cos of pi t upon 2 minus sin of pi t upon 2। so cos of pi t upon 2 minus sin of pi t upon 2, ये हो गया dy by dt, and dx by dt is what, 2t plus 1। अभी अपना t is equal to what, 1 है, t is equal to what, 1 है। so what is your dy by dx? so our dy by dx is equal to, t is pi upon 2 at t is equals to 1, so that is t equals to 1, so it is pi by 2 into cos of t1 रखा हमने, तो पाई अपॉन 2 होगा माइनस साइन ऑफ पाई अपॉन 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस 1, t इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1, 2 प्लस 1, कॉस ऑफ पाई बाय 2 0 होगा, पाई बाय 2 इंटू कॉस ऑफ पाई बाय 2 0, और ये माइनस 1, upon 3, and finally you will be getting minus of pi upon 6 is the answer. Minus of pi upon 6 minutes. Now we do the next one. So we'll do next question. Here, fourth one. X is equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t, y equals to 2 sin t minus sin of 2t, at t equals to pi by 4 you have to find. So x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t, y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin of 2t, at t is equal to what? Pi by 4 we have to find. अभी dx by dt, see, x is 2 cos t plus cos of 2t, y is 2 sin t minus sin of 2t. Find dy by dx. Is dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is dy by dt then? Derivative of this 2 cos t की डेरिवेटिव होगा माइनस 2 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 2t. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन 2t कॉस 2t होगा, 2t का डेरिवेटिव 2 अपॉन dx by dt, इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस 2 साइन t माइनस होगा 2 sin 2t. At t is equal to pi by 4 we require. So dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, which is, yes बच्चों, ये 2 कैंसिल होगा, तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. कॉस ऑफ पाई बाय 4 होगा, कॉस ऑफ पाई बाय 4 माइनस cos of pi by 2 होगा, which will be 0. ठीक है, 2 times of pi by 4 अपॉन यहाँ पे sin of pi by 4 माइनस sin of pi by 2 होगा. ठीक है, 2 times of pi by 4. Sin of pi by 2 will be 1, cos of pi by 2 will be 0, and it is what? Cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus 0 upon the minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. So therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon, इसका LCM आएगा minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 upon root 2, और ये root 2 कैंसिल होगा. तो दिस द आंसर. तो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन 1 माइनस रूट 2 है, तो सिंप्लीफाई करके देखते हैं इसको. हियर नेगेटिव साइन will take common, dy by dx equal to minus 1. यहाँ पर रूट 2 प्लस 1 है, तो इसको हम रूट 2 माइनस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर रैशनलाइज करेंगे. व्हाट विल गेट? dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 will get 2 minus 1 upon, यहाँ पे होगा 2 minus 1, a square minus b square is 1. तो फाइनली 1 माइनस रूट 2 आंसर आएगा आपको, नेगेटिव साइन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इज डन, सेम आंसर इज देयर इन द टेक्स्ट। अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 विल डू, दैट इज x is equal to, or here x is equal to t plus 2 sin pi t, and the last one, that is fifth question. What is this fifth question? X is equal to t plus 2 sin pi t, or y is equal to what? 3t minus cos pi t. ठीक है, at t is equal to 1/2 to find. So dy by dx equal to what? dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dt upon dx by dx by dt. What is our dy by dt? It is its derivative is 3. The derivative आएगा minus of minus will be plus sin pi t, and into derivative of pi t is pi. फिर dx by dt इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा 1 प्लस 2 sin pi t का डेरिवेटिव आएगा pi t, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ pi t is pi. अभी at t is equal to 1/2 you have to find. So dy by dx equal to, at t is equal to 1/2 is equal to what? 3 plus pi sin of pi/2 होगा, क्योंकि t is 1/2 ना, अपॉन 1 प्लस pi 2 cos of what? pi/2, क्योंकि t is 1/2. Cos of pi/2 becomes 0. This cos of pi/2 becomes 0, and the whole term will become 0. Is what? 3 plus pi sin pi/2 is 1 upon 1 plus 0. Pi plus 3 will be the answer. Pi plus 3 will be the answer. Is dy by. So ये स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के फर्स्ट 5, मतलब सारे क्वेश्चन 1 2 3 4 5 all questions we did. So thank you for watching this video, and the next video we will do question number